Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to math. Today, we're going to cover ratios. Okay? So, our objective for today is to know how to write ratios. Okay? There are a few different ways to write them. One way can be something like this, where you have a number, let's say 9. 2, let's say we have another number, 9 to 6. Okay? We can also write it as 9 and 2 dots to 6. And in our last one, 9 to 6. Okay? When do we use ratios? Ratios, we usually use them when we're comparing things, okay, or objects or items. For example, we would like to know how big or how much bigger this one is to this one. Okay? We can compare it. We can use a ratio. We also find it sometimes for a distance where a point is located. Okay, on the line. How much closer to one side is to the other. Let me see here. So for example, if we were to have a line, okay, on this line we have A, and then on the other side we have C. Okay, we're gonna have B somewhere in between. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna have B 1, 2. Okay, if we wanted to know the ratio from AB to BC, okay, again, we can write it as AB to BC, or AB to BC, or our last one, AB to BC. Okay, there's 3 different ways. You can put a 2, a division sign. You can even say the division sign like this, AB slash BC, or 2 little dots. Okay, but for the purpose of this one, we're only going to stay with 1. Okay, and if we wanted to know the ratio of AB, we know that we have 1, 2, 3 points. Okay, so we have 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 3 to 3, which technically is halfway. Okay, so it's 1. So it's 1 to 1. But wait, what if I have X in here? Okay, and we're only going to focus on B to C this time. I want to know the ratio where X is on B to C. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1 to 2. Okay, or 1 to 2, which is 1/2. We can also, again, use it to find a certain percentage of something. For example, for proportions, or for example of ratios, when it comes to ratios, let's say for example I'm a baseball player and I hit, let's say 96 home runs, okay, or let's say I won 96 games, okay, let's say we won 96 games. But we played a total of 162 games. Okay? I want to know what percentage. Okay, what was my percentage out of all the games that I won? Okay, again, we can say 96 to 120 to 162. We usually use a calculator. Let's see if I have one here. Here we have one. We can say 96 divided by 162, which equals 0.59. So it's 0.59, which becomes 59%. Okay, so out of the 162 games I played, I only won 96 games, so I only won 59%. Okay, of the games total played. So that's how we use ratios. Again, we use it to compare, okay, two objects, two items, to find distance, and to find a percentage. Okay, it kind of leads a little more into proportion as well later on, which is our next thing for next class. But for now, all I want you guys to do is set up the proportions, okay? I'm going to give you a few different items or shapes. I have two right here. Okay? Again, I want you guys to set up, here's one. Give me the proportion from A to B and from B to C. Okay? And then from X to Y, Y to Z. That's your second one. And then tell me what is the ratio of this triangle compared to this other one. Okay. And then finally, there are 182 girls out of 305 students at PA. Okay. Find the percentage of girls at Precision Academy out of 305 students. Okay. All right, guys. Make sure you submit your answers as soon as you're done watching the video. And I'll be here waiting for your email.